Matter comes in various forms: elements, compounds, and mixtures. An element is the simplest substance, consisting of one type of atom. Elements are categorized into metals and non-metals. Metals are dense, malleable, and good conductors, while non-metals possess different physical properties. Compounds are formed when two or more elements chemically combine. For instance, hydrogen and oxygen create water, H2O. Compounds maintain a fixed composition, following the law of constant composition. Chemical bonds hold these atoms together. Mixtures, in contrast, are combinations of two or more substances that can be separated physically. Common separation methods include filtration, distillation, and evaporation. Mixtures can be homogeneous, with uniform compositions throughout, or heterogeneous, displaying distinct regions. Homogeneous mixtures are also referred to as solutions, such as sugar dissolved in water. Heterogeneous mixtures, like concrete, have different regions with varied compositions. Their physical properties enable easy separation. Each type of matter has unique properties and behaviors, influencing its application in our world. Understanding these differences is crucial in fields like chemistry and materials science. Key points: elements are pure, compounds result from chemical reactions, and mixtures are combinations that can be separated physically. Consider how this knowledge impacts your daily life. Explore more about matter by subscribing to our channel for comprehensive lessons on science topics.